Well guys, something a little bit different for you today. I've come through to a local timber store that's doing a pop-up event. I'm over at the Black Bull at Midgley, just outside Wakefield, and this is Black Bull Timbers. I'm sure there's a connection to the location there. Having seen this posted online, I was really interested to see what these sort of local pop-up events are like. Can you get any good deals? What's the standard of wood there? And ultimately, can I come away with a steal of a deal? Let's have a look. So the first thing that became really evident while I was here at Black Bull Timbers is the fact that they've put the little logo and everything. I thought it was a sound little touch. Looking at things overall, there was a lot here for turners, and that made perfect sense once I started talking to the couple that were running it. The female party is a wood turner, and one of the reasons why they started this company up was because they found that a lot of local turning suppliers had ceased to trade, so they saw a gap in the market and wanted to fill it. I were absolutely blown away by how much you could fit in to 3 small tables. There was everything from turning stuff to a couple of bigger slabs, some turning chisels, finishes, boxes of half logs, quarter logs, you name it. There was absolutely tons there. Price wise, it started all the way down at £3, and I think the most expensive thing I saw was about £40. I thought that was really good value, and like I say, I'm absolutely blown away with what's here. Right, so I've come back from the Black Bull, completely sober, I promise you, it was 10 o'clock in the morning. But I was lucky enough before I left to pick up this piece of elm. Now this thing is absolutely lovely. Don't get me wrong, it's a little bit rough, you can see all the saw marks in. So this looks like it'll clean up really well. And what I like about it is every now and again there's just these little dashes of yellow, so I'm really keen to see how that's going to come out once it's been through the planer. Now size wise, I think it's about 32 inches long, 10 inches wide, and it's marked up as about 1.5 inches thick, but I think it's probably closer to 2. So hopefully by the time it planes down, I should still retain a lot of that size. So let's have a look how it comes out. So I've managed to put this piece through the planer. Before I tell you what I found, I just wanted to ask very quickly, 80% of my viewers aren't currently subscribed. If you would like to subscribe and you're getting some value from this, just hit that button, fill in that, a like or comment. There's way more than you think in this crazy little world of YouTube. So, new day, new shirt, as they say. And I've managed to put this piece of elm through the planer. Now, I've only nibbled away at the edge because, I'll be honest, there's a little bit of twist in it and I don't want to end up taking down a ton of material because I've got a feeling that I'm going to be chopping this into halves or maybe even thirds, and I want to retain as much as I can before then. But what I did find just from that corner was how lovely these browns and yellows are that run through. It's absolutely amazing. I am gobsmacked at how well this looks, and I'm super excited about finding something that I can build with this. I honestly can't wait for that. And I think this for me just shows you that if you're willing to be open-minded, if you don't mind keeping your eye out for all these different places, you can get wood or tools from anywhere. You know, we'd all love a Fez tool workshop, wouldn't we? But you can get stuff for your needs from dead simple places like Lidl or Aldi. A lot of the supermarkets are jumping on side with stuff like this, and I kind of think this with the wood now. Instead of having to go to some of them bigger wood stores or even buying off eBay where the pieces look amazing but you're not quite 100% sure what you're getting, you can nip to all these pop-up places or these little wood rooms that are starting, because you can actually feel it and hold it and you can take stock of what you're going to be getting. And I think that's so good, and this is what I'm really loving, particularly about YouTube and the other social media side, is that you can learn about all these places, and it's just really good to get out there. You can talk to people, you can find out, you've got, you know, people that you can link in with. I now have a different contact that I know I can drop them a message and they'll be able to source something for me and give me a price beforehand. I just think that's fantastic. So I just thought I'd say, until next time we meet, I'm Ross, this is Woodworking. I hope you found some use in this video today, and I can't wait to see you on the next build video that should be out very shortly.